Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we are sharing short and sweet Xhosa names for both girls and boys. Without further ado, let's begin. First up we have Langa, a classic unisex name meaning sun. Langa. Next up we have Zola, an elegant unisex name that was traditionally considered a boy name. Zola. Our following name is cute and faith-based. We have Inam. Inam is short for Inam Inkosi. Nande is next on our list. It's an excellent choice for those who wish to have big families. Nande. Moving on, we have Esabo. It means their gift. Esabo. Our following name is Anawe, a beautiful name that reassures your baby that a higher power is with them. It could mean Amazulu Anawe, meaning the heavens are with you. It could also mean the ancestors are with you. Our following name is the definition of short and sweet. We have Elam. Elam. Moving on, we have Pila, meaning live on or be alive. Our following name is unique and modern. We have Uzile, a lovely choice for long-awaited children. Uzile. Our last name for today is Iana, a sweet and meaningful name that symbolizes the flow of blessings. Iana.